Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Natalie. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my second ever So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Natalie. So for today's video, I'm gonna share you guys my unboxing of Starbucks 2021 planner. As if naman may plan talaga the whole year, no? So, without further ado, let's go unbox it. So, nakailang take ako ng aking intro, no? So, ngayon, mag-unbox na tayo ng ng Starbucks 2021 planner natin. So, last year, nag-try kami talaga na makakuha nito kaso hindi na puno yung sticker ko. So, ngayon, I'm so excited to open it! So, ito siya on the outside. Yan, nakalagay Starbucks 2021 planner. Tapos, ito yung tail ng mermaid. Yan, may Starbucks logo dito. And then, I don't know what it is, but I think this is the code. Yellow kasi yung kinuha. Yellow kasi yung kinuha kong color kasi sabi 'di ba, lucky color daw ang color yellow. So, ayun yung pinili ko. Pero ayoko din kasi ng color pink. I'm not the type of girl that loves pink. So, yan. Parang mag-ASMR nga tayo. Ay, hindi naririnig. Ayan, ayan. Oh my God, I'm so excited! Ito. Ang ganda ng ng box niya. Kasi yung dati kong nakuhang planner is sobrang liit lang. So, this is my second Starbucks 2021 planner. I think 4 years, 3 years, yung last na nakuha kong planner. Tapos sobrang liit lang siya. Para siyang booklet. And color black siya. Tapos may strap siya na green. So, here it is! I'm so excited. Oh my God. Naghirapan namin to ng bebe ko. So, hindi naman lagi. Sobrang dalas namin mag-Starbucks for this. Oh, ang ganda niya. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Tapos pa siya. May cover pa siya na parang paper ata to. I don't know what do you call this. So, here it is. Oh my God, ang ganda. May bookmark siya. I'm in love with the yellow. So, kaya ako naka-yellow na damit kasi para terno, diba? So, yan. Ito yung tail o yun na Starbucks bookmark. So, sabi, gustong-gusto ko makakuha ng ganito. Kasi nagagandahan ako sa mga planner ng Starbucks. So, when I got the chance na makabuo ng sticker for Starbucks. So, ang hirap niyang buksan. Yan na siya. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Hindi siya matte. Parang velvet type. May naka-engraved na Starbucks logo dito. Ayan. Ito na yung bookmark. Ayan. So, 50 years. It was 1971. The dawn of our love affair with coffee. We embark on a quest to find the world's finest beans. That passion continues now to our 50th year Starbucks. Ang ganda. I feel like a queen. Mermaid siya, oh. Ito na siya. Ayan din, may naka-engraved din here na Starbucks. So, I'm so amazed. This is my first Starbucks na malaki. Kasi yung last purchase ko nga and first ever purchase is malit. Oh, ang ganda. Pag open ng booklet, ng planner is, there is a stickers. Ko inubuo-buo ako para lang makuha to. May sticker siya. There is, what's your drink today? Hot caramel macchiato. Oh, first time ko din makatikim ng caramel macchiato because of my bebe. Kasi gusto niya yon and I think it's her favorite. So, ngayon, naging favorite ko na din siya. Hot or cold. Merong ice americano, vanilla sweet cream cold, and so on and so forth. So, ito na tayo. I'm so in love with this! Ang ganda niya! Ito yung tail, Gold yung tail niya. I love coffee. So, first sip filling. So, here is my personal info. my name, birthday, mobile, home number, office number, email address, emergency contacts. And may mga barcode, ano siya, ang tawag dito? QR code. This is the QR codes ng website, mobile app, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter ng Starbucks PH. So, ito na yung calendar niya for 2021. Here's the dates to note. Occasions ata to eh. New Year's, Chinese New Year's, hanggang New Year's Eve ng December 31. So, this planner is produced in a Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, certified facility and printed on FSC certified paper. FSC is an independent and a non-governmental, non-for-profit organization established to promote the responsible management of the world's forests. Ito na! May mga nakalagay pa dito. I think it's for the owners to understand. Oh! Ngayon ko lang nakita. Anong tawag sa ganito? Ayun o, may ganyan siya, color pink. I don't like the color, but anyways, mahalaga is yung nilalaman. Then, let's go. Ala, ang ganda nito. Parang gusto ko ilagay yung mukha ko dito. Ayan o, I feel like a queen. Nahilig na ako sa caramel macchiato, hot and cold. So, oh my god, I'm so in love with this. So, every month, meron siyang history ng Starbucks. Like, for February, 3rd place. Ayan, yung pangatlong branch nila ng Starbucks. Can't wait to note every birthdays I need to remember kasi sobrang makakalimutin ako pagdating sa birthday ng friends, families, classmates, etc. Tapos, ayan, for March, here it is. Ay, ang ganda ng April, color blue. Ayan, I love the color. And for I'm gonna swing. For May, oh, ang sarap. Green tea. Tama ba? Green tea. Yeah, it's color green. And I'm October 1. I was born 1998. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Siyempre, yan yung pinakamagandang lalagyan ko ng mga plants. Pagtutuunan ng pansin, okay? Tapos may mga quotations here sa baba. So, I think, so that's for our Starbucks unboxing of 2021 planner. So, ang hirap din makabuo nito kasi nag-pandemic and sobrang bilis ko kasi magkaroon ng ubo. Cough and cold kapag nasobrahan ako sa lamig and sa sweets. So, binalance namin para makuha namin to. Grabe. Yung isa, dalawang sticker. Yung isa pinuno namin, pero may natirang 3. Tapos yung isa, bigay ng cousin ko, na meron siyang 3 sticker na nakalagay doon. So, pinag-combine namin. Para nga naman magamit din niya. Kasi ang dami niya na ding stickers. So, ayun. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until my next video.